Hello guys, welcome to the Bitcoin information. Today I'm going to share you a hot super duper news for Shiba Inu lover. You can see that Amazon denies plan to accept BTC. This is the line with my source who say Amazon is currently investing severe project with plans to accept crypto payments from at least 2 crypto in 2022. So you can see that this Twitter post, Amazon planning to buy a minimum at least 2 crypto in 2022. So far that Amazon will looking for buy maybe this 4 token, 4 coin. First is Shiba Inu. It's really hot news for us who hold Shiba Inu coin. And second coin is AMP. Third coin is Matic. I also love to Matic and Hook. So you can see that it's really interesting and super fantastic news for Shiba Inu increasing. You can see that Shiba Inu right now current price 00628 and rank number is 40. So it's looking very nice to increasing Shiba Inu next step. And you can see that the draw 24 hours range Shiba Inu just middle line on the stage. You can see that on this chart Shiba Inu coin last 13 days 29% decreasing and last 14 days 5.3% decreasing. It's really right time to buy, buddy. You can buy Shiba Inu coin on Binance and Shiba Swap, Hotbit Global, and accept a more lot of website. You can right now buy Shiba Inu coin. You can look at the all-time high already 83.5% decreasing about 3 months ago, and all-time low is November 28 already 8 months ago. So right now I'm going to share you Shiba coin technical analysis and see that I just arrived Shiba Inu technical analysis. You can see that the market condition right now is sideways market. It's called sideways, just little bit up down up down up down up down. It's called sideways market. After sideways market we can see always two scenario, up or down. So right now market is going to sideways market and BTC condition is good, so that's why it's indicate Shiba Inu coin will be increased long and long. Right now Shiba price 6 to 7. I hope in this week or in this month Shiba will definitely increasing 754. So it's a lot of opportunity for buying. Right now Binance is so nicely. You can see that 200 EMA, 200 moving average. So when Shiba touch the 200 moving average, after the Shiba will fly as like a rocket. So right now lot opportunity. If you are a newcomer to invest Shiba Inu coin, I just suggest you, for my personal opinion, you can buy some Shiba coin right now current price and just wait some 1 week or 1 month. After 1 month, after 1 week, you will get lot of profit from Shiba Inu coin if you are a short trader, or if you are a long trader, if you are a holder trader, then you can buy lot of Shiba coin right now. Then wait for the next. You can see that this line, this purpose line is called 200 moving average. So when Shiba touch 200 moving average, then it will increasing. I hope so that. So let's see what happens. Everything depends on BTC. You know, Bitcoin is the mother coin of cryptocurrency. So in Bitcoin increasing, Bitcoin is stability, then definitely Shiba coin will increase. I hope that. I already bought a lot of Shiba Inu, you know that. You can see that I bought all about 1000 plus worth of Shiba Inu coin. So I am a holder and I just and I bought this Shiba Inu coin for a long time. I believe Shiba Inu one day will definitely skyrocketing and go to the moon and definitely kill the Dogecoin. So if you are newcomer here, subscribe my channel to inspire me make the next video. See you later. Bye bye.